Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Adult English Version School, Deership. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student based on chapter 12. The name of the chapter is Climate Change and this is the part 2 of the chapter. So let us move for today's topic. We will start from lesson number 3. The name of the lesson is also same as our chapter's name, Climate Change. Here, if you observe, their question arises, what can we do for? Then here, if you observe, this is the map of Bangladesh and there is some indication drought, flood, surge, flash flood that is occurring in our country in every year. Now come for the summary. Scientists predict that climate change will worsen many of the current problems as natural hazards. Climate change will lead to the following risk of natural disasters: increasing frequency and severity of tropical cyclone and storm surge, occurring heavier and more erratic rainfall causing flood, occurring lower and more erratic rainfall causing drought, then sea level rise and saltwater intrusion in the river. Then combating the risk of climate change, we can take two strategies. They are climate change mitigation and climate change adaptation. Now come to the climate change mitigation. The main cause of climate change is the increasing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So we can reduce the risk by reducing the carbon dioxide emission by decreasing the use of fossil fuels such as coal, oil and natural gas. Increasing the use of renewable energy sources such as solar energy and wind can reduce the carbon dioxide emission. Also, we can reduce carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by planting trees. We can reduce the energy consumption in our daily life to reduce carbon dioxide emission. This action will limit the magnitude and rate of long-term climate change. That means climate change mitigation is to prevent the climate change. Come to the climate change adaptation. Various mitigation efforts have been taken by different countries to reduce climate changes. However, we still need to deal with the climate changes and that have already been set in motion. The measures to survive in the changing climate is called climate change adaptation. This is the definition of climate change adaptation. The adaptation is lower the risk against actual or expected climate change effect. The following are examples of adaptation activities: developing the infrastructure such as houses, schools and factories, and constructing of flood and cyclone shelter, creating coastal afforestation and innovating salt-tolerant crops and changing our lifestyle and disseminating knowledge of climate change. And this is we have to follow for the changed for the adapting ourselves with the changed climate. Climate change lead to the increased different natural disasters. Following pictures show different measures of adaptation. This is the planting trees picture and this is the picture of cyclone center, and this is available in our country in the coastal areas, and we need to plant more and more trees for climate change adaptation. As shown in the disaster center, Bangladesh is one of the more disaster-prone countries in the world. We exposed a variety of natural disasters including tropical cyclone with associated storm surge, floods, drought, tornadoes and river erosion, so on. We should know about climate can be prepared face the natural disaster risk. Now look, here in January, February, fog is occurring and cold wave also come in our country. Now in the February to May, drought, heat wave, nor'wester, cyclone is occurring in this time. Now come to the June to September, monsoon depression, heavy rainfall and thunder and flood. Now in our country most of the area which is near about the river is flooded, and this is occurring every year 1 to 3 times in our country. Now in October to December, cyclone, thunderstorm, and again December cold wave and fog occurring here, and that means whole year from January to December we are suffering for different natural disaster. Now come to the exercise. Which one is the greenhouse gas? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. Dear student, the greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide and water vapor. So here we have to put tick mark on carbon dioxide. Second one is, how does climate change happen? Suddenly, quickly, eventually, gradually. That is gradually. Now come to 3. Which one is the climate change mitigation? Use of coal and oil, use of solar energy, deforestation, use of natural gas. Dear students, it will be use of renewable energy, that means solar energy. Say fourth one, which one is not the natural hazard of Bangladesh? Cyclone, nor'easter, hurricane, flood. Dear students, hurricane is not for our country. Now we will solve MCQ. The climate of an area do not change suddenly, it will be changing. Now come to next one. The average increase of Earth's temperature is known as global warming. Now come to next one. Global warming is caused, dear students, that will be due to increase of dash in air, that will be carbon dioxide. Now come for the next one. The heat captured inside the glass house is known as dash effect, that will be greenhouse effect. For the last one, the ozone layer prevent from entering dash light cancer causing factors on to the earth. Dear students, this is taken from the test paper of your PSC examination, that will be UV or ultraviolet ray. UV or ultraviolet ray, just fill in the blanks, not given directly in your textbook, but it was came in PSC examination, that's why I give here. Now come to the matching. The left side there is written climate is the average. Second one, a significant and persistent change in the climate and its variability is. And third one, an atmosphere is. Fourth one, gradual increase of earth temperature. And fifth one, carbon dioxide and water vapor. The right side there is climate change, global warming, weather pattern for a long period of time, greenhouse effect, layer of air that surrounds the earth's surface, greenhouse gas, climate change, adaptation. Now come for the solution. First, A plus climate is the average, it will be matched with 3. Then now come for the B. B will be matched with a significant and persistent change in the climate and its variability is climate change. So it will be matched with 1. Now come for the C. An atmosphere is, it will be matched with 5. Now come for the D. D is gradual increase of Earth's temperature. It will be matched with 2, global warming. Now come for E. E is carbon dioxide and water vapor. It is greenhouse gas, so it will be matched with 6. Dear students, you have to solve the matching like this way, and you have to pick up the whole sentence along with the answer. That means you have to write the solution of matching like this way. And your homework is, it is homework number 13, and you have to make 5 MCQ from the chapter, not my one. You will make new 5 and with answer. You have to submit on Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. So read the chapter, do your SW, and thank you. Allah Hafiz.